What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be share with you how to make $300 per day even if you are complete beginner or really age does not matter, you are 10 or even you are of 50. The things that I'm going to be share with you, you can apply that anywhere else and all of the things really works very well. Okay, so be sure guys to stick with me so you do not miss any of the secret of making $300 every single day. Okay, so now before we jump into the video, if you want to make $100 every single day or even more, then check out the link in the description for 100% free training. In the training I have shown you completely how to make $100 every single day. Okay, and if you are in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now, how are we going to make $300 even if you are broke, you do not have any money, you do not have any kind of skill? So what we are gonna to do, we are gonna to go from the step one. Okay, what is the step one? What we are gonna to do, we are gonna to build the trust and relationship. Thereafter we are gonna to sell them anything. Okay, you might be thinking selling is the hardest task, but after that this training you will not be thinking that much hard. Okay, what we are going to do, let me just share with you a process. What the most of the guys are doing, the most of the guys are simply what doing, they promote a $10 product. Okay, and if you are promoting a $10 product, how many sales you will need to make $300? You need 30 sales. Okay, and on the other hand, if you are going to promote a $100 product, how many sales will you need to make a $300? Okay, you just need 3 sales. And further, if you are going to promote a $300 product, how many sales will you be needed? You will only need 1 sale, my friend. This is the ultimate tactic every successful marketer is doing. They are not promoting a $10 product, either they are promoting a $100 product or they are promoting a $300 product. Look at this, the difference is of 10 times. 30 sales and over here 3 sales. What do you think? Making 30 sales is easy or making 3 sales? Absolutely 3. And psychology has even proved that the people who are spending money with you can spend even more, but the people who are not spending with you, it's really hard to make them to persuade them to pay you, to spend on you. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to leverage this. I'm not going to share with you like $300. You might be thinking it's very hard to sell high ticket, so we are going to take the low ticket. It's not low ticket, kind of medium ticket, you can say $100. Okay, what we are gonna to do, we are gonna to promote a $100 product. Okay, let me just share with you a strategy. You will understand every bit. The strategy is very simple. You are going to share promote a $100 product. You will need 3 sales to make $300 okay, $300 is very easy, and the most of the product converts between 5 to 10%. So what you need to do, you need to select a product that converts at least 10%. Okay, that converts at least 10%. Okay, so what we are gonna to do, if we are gonna to send the 30 guys to that page, we will get 3 sales. Okay, so we have made over $300, but they are not gonna to buy directly. Let's say, let me just give you an example. Okay, if you are going to look at this, let's say this is the platform. Okay, this is the platform like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, or whatever it is. Okay, you are going to send the guys from this platform to a landing page where you are gonna to sell. Let's say you are what you are doing, you are sending the traffic from the YouTube or whatever it is, Facebook, from a page. You are gonna to sell them directly. Nobody will buy, and even if you are gonna to send 1,000 guys, maybe you will get maximum 2 or 5 sales. Okay, this is not the ultimate way. What you need to do, you need to do the smart work. Do not need to do the hard work. What we are going to do, we are going to leverage the power of the social media or whatever the traffic you can do. For the traffic, I have shared the complete strategy in the 100% free training. Okay, how to get the traffic from YouTube, and plus I have also shared the 2 secret traffic sources. Okay, one is of Instagram and another one I don't remember what is that, so you can check out that if you want to know. So what we are going to do, we are going to send the guys from a landing from over here, from the kind of YouTube and Twitter and all that, to a landing page where we are going to provide them value. What kind of value can we provide? Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to send the traffic from the YouTube, Facebook, to a landing page where we are going to provide them something for free, whether it can be an ebook or it can be video training, just like a free ebook to lose weight 1 kg in just 1 week. Okay, you can provide them free stuff. Okay, in exchange, what we are going to do, we are going to ask them for their email. Okay, they are going to give us their email. We are going to follow them up, like in the first part, first email, second email, third email. We can send them email the whole lifetime. We do not just keep on sending them the selling emails, promotional emails. What we are going to do, we are going to send them the valuable emails, something free some days. Okay, thereafter we are going to sell them something. Okay, so here sell, again here sell. Okay, thereafter we can do that again, just like for a complete week. Value. So they will be connected with you. They will come to know that this guy is really great, he's really helping me by sending me a lot of free knowledgeable stuff. Okay, so he will be connected, this guy is giving me a lot of value, so I should really buy this product. If his free value is having so much value, then it's his paid products will be having a lot of value. Really, absolutely, I should go and buy this product. I should buy this product. They will behave like this. Okay, then you can sell them anything. Okay, so then if you are going to send as I have told you, the 10% conversion. So if you are going to get a 10% conversion, if you are going to send the 30 guys to a landing page, okay, 30 guys, then you can easily get 3 sales, and then you can easily make over $100. So you do not need to do direct linking, just start giving them value. Okay, so this is the ultimate way of making money. Okay, how are you going to drive the traffic? You can leverage the power of the YouTube, you can leverage the power of the Facebook. Okay, what we are going to do, let me share a Facebook strategy with you. Just look at this. What we are going to do, let's say your niche is of weight loss. Okay, what we are going to do, look at this. There are the thousands of groups on the Facebook which are having tons of guys like 100,000 members, 400,000 members, 10,000 members, and you are going to find a lot of guys. Look at this, 500,000 members, 73,000 members, 287,000 members. So can you just take 30 guys to whom you can give value? Absolutely you can. Every single day taking 30 guys out of here is not a big deal. Out of 500,000, you can really get much more guys than just 30. What you are going to do, just join some of the groups, and you will see that a lot of guys are asking a lot of questions like how to lose weight, or what are the recipes to lose weight, what are the recipes that I have tasted and we are going to lose the weight, how to lose weight without exercise. Just help them out, answer to their question. Okay, they will see you as an authority figure. They will see that you knows everything about the weight loss and all that stuff. So after some week, you will see that they will personally contact you. Hello, do you have any kind of product that can help me to lose weight? Then you can sell them anything you want. This is the ultimate way of selling. Okay, further, if you want to do more selling, then you can give them something for free on that time as well, and then do the selling on the back end. Okay, this is called the back end, the system that I have showed you. This is called the back end system. Okay, when you are going to send them email, you are not going to sell them anything directly. You are going to send them the promotional emails, valuable emails. This is called the back end stuff, where nobody can see you that you are selling, but in actually you are really doing a great business on the back end that even your some of the guys will not be aware. Okay, so this is the ultimate way of making 300. But let me share some of the things that I can. Okay, basically let me share with you something like what are the strategy you can do. Basically what you need to do, you need to post on these groups on daily basis. I will not suggest you to just keep on posting, just give the value, help them out by answering their question. Okay, I'm in the niche of the affiliate marketing. Okay, so what we are going to do, let me share with you in just a minute. Okay, look at this, over 100 comments. Okay, look at this, over 100 comments. This is the post I have done. Look at this. Okay, look at this. Look at this. I have done this post on the 4th of August. Okay, and within just a very little time, I have gotten 100 comments. So that means 100 guys who really trust me. And when I will give them this free training, they will trust me more likely because I am giving them something free, very valuable. So they are gonna to be come in contact with me. Look at this. With just one post, I have gotten 100 guys, and 10% rate at the 10% rate. If I am gonna to get a 10 guys to buy, I have made over $3,000 with just one post. Let me show you some other proofs as well. Okay, this one didn't get that much. Look at this, 189 comments. 189. That means I have gotten made over $6,000. But what I am doing, I am giving them value. First of all, look at this. All of these trainings are 100% free. Okay, there are more as well in the other groups as well. I have done with where I have gotten lots of comments. Let's look at this, 49 comments. Okay, look at this, 112 comments. So I am getting a lot of traffic from here. Okay, so you need to give value to them. What you need to do not just do like something kind of do not just put the link in the post. Do something like comment below info. Whenever there will be a guy who is going to comment on your post, the post will again go back to the top of the group, and more guys will see the post. Okay, the more and more the likes and comments you will get, the more and more the post will go up, more and more guys will see, more and more comments you will get, and finally more and more leads. This is the ultimate way. But remember, people like the free stuff. They do not want to pay for that thing. Okay, that's why you need to give them something for free to attract them. Okay, if you are going to sell them directly, nobody will come to your contact. They are not even going to comment. Okay, look at this. There are some of the means you are not going to get the comments on everything everyone else. Okay, but do not just spam out them. Also give them value. Okay, also give them complete value. So in this same way, you can find the groups which are kind of like in your niche. And remember, sometimes the admins can also throw you out of the group if you are not giving them value or promoting something spam. Okay, so be sure to read the rules and all that stuff as well. So guys, I really hope that you guys like this video, but also I have shared the complete strategy of how to get the traffic from the YouTube as a complete beginner. So be sure to check the training. The link is in the description. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.